Hi guys, my name is Hitisha and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper photo frame, and inside that we will do quilling work. So let's start with the materials. I will tell you the materials: paper, scale, scissor, pencil, fevicol, quilling tool and quilling strips. So first we will start to how to make a frame, photo frame. So I have taken this brown paper. You can take any paper you want. It's not that you also have to take a brown paper. So the size of the paper is 30 centimeter by 24 centimeter. So on 30 centimeter you will mark 4 centimeter from over here, from here to here 4 centimeter. Same thing over here 4 centimeter. After that same thing we will do opposite side, 4 centimeter over here 4 centimeter. Now on 24 centimeter you will mark 4 centimeter over here, 4 centimeter over here. Same thing opposite side, 4 centimeter over here, 4 centimeter over here. Okay. Now we have marked this 4 centimeter. So inside 4 centimeter we will mark 1 centimeter. So from here 1 centimeter, from here 1 centimeter, from here 1 centimeter. Same thing we will do this side. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Same thing opposite side. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Over here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now on 24 centimeter where we have marked 4 centimeter, over there also we will mark 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter over here also. Basically you have to mark inside 4 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Same thing opposite side. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay. Now we will fold all these markings. Okay. So it will look like this. Okay, we'll again mark 1 centimeter over here and over here. Same thing this side. Okay, now the part which we have folded, we will cut that part. See, like this. We'll cut it like this, all four sides. paper should look like this after cutting and folding. After cutting and folding, we will mark one line over here, one line over here. Same thing this side. One line over here, one line over here. Same thing we will do this side. One line over here, over here, and over here. Now we will cut this part. After cutting, it will look like this. Now first we will take a white paper for a frame. So I'll just stick it inside like this way, this white. You can even first stick cardboard, and after cardboard you can stick white paper. It's totally up to you how thick you want the frame. But I don't need too thick, so I'm just using this white paper and I will stick this inside like this way. This paper is stick. Basically you have to measure this much part and cut the paper, okay, and you have to stick this inside. Now I will stick this part like this way, from here like this way, okay, all the four sides. Guys, this is our frame. After sticking, it will look like this. And now we are going to do inside part, that we are going to decorate it with flowers, and flowers we are going to make by using quilling method. So I will show you the quilling method, how we are going to make different petals, leaves, all that stuff. So I will show you that thing, okay. So first we are going to make a petal, this type of petals. So I'll show you how we will make this petal. I have taken yellow color, but you can take any color which you want to use. We are going to make a sunflower, so I'm using yellow color. First, this is a quilling tool, so we will just roll it with the help of that. I have this type of scale, and in that I want this shape, this size, sorry, not shape, size, okay. So I will just let it live like this. I will stick this. Okay, now we will give a shape to it. So how we will give the shape is we will just press it from here. See, if you want to move, see. This we have done petal. Now I will show you how we will make a leaves. For that I will take a green strip. The size of the strips is 5 mm. Now leaves I want a bigger one, so I will use this one. I think this one is better. See. Now, you press it from both the sides, so you will get it leaves effect. If you want, you can just fold it in a shape or all that, but it's leaves. See. Okay, I will show you this type of bird. For that, first we need green strip. Same way we will roll it. We will stick it tightly. Now we will just from inside. See. Okay, now the petal which we have made will stick inside like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now I will show you this type of bird. Okay. For that we need two strips, like green shade, light green, and this one darker green. We will stick this both like this first. After that we will roll it. We will start from darker one first. We will stick it. Okay. Now just press it from inside. Okay. Now we will make another part. For that we will need dark and light both. Now we will take this and roll it inside. Now we will stick this both like this. Okay, it's done. Now we will start making frame, and we will make an arrangement of flowers. I have already made few petals and all that, so we will start making our frame arrangement and all. Okay, now we will make arrangements. So I will take this petals and just arrange it. This one So you can just arrange it according to your design and your creativity. I will just arrange it like this in my way and I will stick it. Okay. So I will start with stem. Now I will show you I have this butterfly clips, so I will just stick it randomly over here like this. And even I have this thank you written note stem, so I will just even stick this thing I think over here. See, this is our final look, so you can just check out. Thank you guys for watching.